Mama, how amazing is this? Huh? We just arrived at Addo Africamps.
Yeah,
It's about 10 kilometers outside, or just
from the Addo
from the
Elephant
Addo,
Park.
yeah, from the Addo Park gate.
Yeah.
And wow, it feels like we're in the middle of
Die Wildtuin.
the Wildtuin. It just
Yeah.
feels like it, huh?
Yeah, and on the road to here from PE, it was like a lot of animals.
Yeah, on the sides,
Yes,
yeah.
elephants,
There's a lot
giraffes,
there's a lot
everything.
of game farms and stuff here.
Yeah, very
and as we
nice
came
area.
in, there was like little ngala bokkies in the road, and this is so
this
nice.
Is so good.
This is going to be honeymoon, my love. This is going to be honeymoon.
And we're going to take it slow en jy gaan 'n lekker russie vat want jy mag nie musiekie speel nie.
Yeah, no music. So we're going to just hang here for 2 days. Huh?
Yeah, nice.
Let's go and have a look.
This is the long walk to freedom.
Yeah, I'm very curious to see what it looks like. Ooh, my love, we must carry everything up here. Jeez,
We're going to have some nice krampe
krampe.
tonight.
Daar's niks wat 'n brandewyntjie nie kan regmaak nie.
Oh my fy.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow.
Okay, this is the premier one because the normal ones were all booked out.
Yeah, so
But
they gave us the
my
premier one, but look at
goodness.
this. This is so, I love the windows and the open plan, huh?
Wow.
Jeez.
Wow.
Nice braai area. Woo. Africamps Addo, mama.
Yes.
This is nice, huh? Jeez, look at this view. My goodness. Holy crappers. What are we doing, huh? Jeez.
Feels like a lion is watching us.
This is ridiculous. Look at the cargo net, my love.
Yeah, I saw it.
So
Very nice.
we can lie there
And the rest.
the whole evening.
Yep. So anyway, why are we here? For that amazing thing.
Yeah, we forgot to mention anything about that. We were
so
so
flabbergasted. Yeah.
we forgot
Very
to mention
nice.
anything about the hot tub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is one of them that sits very lekker.
Yeah, lekker deep, ja.
Yeah.
Hoe
The
gaan
only thing is, if you want it to be heaten up before you come, you pay 250 rand. So we thought, no, that is
Sure,
quite
yeah, that's a bit much, yeah.
steep. So we will rather do it
I'll
ourselves.
just light it now, man.
Yes.
But give
And
us a
we're going
tour.
to sit
Give
there,
us a tour.
have a nice braai tonight.
I'm
Very
gonna-
interesting thing we're going to make on the fire again.
I just wanted to say, I'm going to make my food here tonight.
Yes, yes.
Lekker outside.
Yes.
And it's a beautiful day.
Yes.
Lovely day. Yo,
Very nice, big open stoop. I just want to see
where
how
you going?
this works.
Oh, this is for the, this is how
Yeah.
you get onto the
You see,
cargo net.
if you have too much brandy and monster, you don't go out here. You fall right through.
Well, then don't open it.
Don't open it. Okay, so I just wanted to say we've never been in a premium Africamps.
And what a difference.
Wow. I actually prefer this one because it's very different inside.
Yeah. I love
very
the fact-
stylish.
I love the
I
fact
had a
that-
sneak peek already.
I love the fact that there's no tent in front here.
Yeah.
You don't have
everything
to
is
open the sails and everything.
Yes.
Everything is just
Show them the
doors,
It's
huh?
just doors and
just doors,
it's double
doors,
doors,
doors.
opening all over.
I love it.
So
I
if you
love
lie
it.
in bed, it's just like glass. But
Yeah.
let me show you.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
No, this is jaw-dropping beautiful.
Yes, and it's only a two-sleeper because it's like honeymoon.
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
come and look in
It's
here.
honeymoon. Oh,
Just
look at
take
where
in
we
this
sit.
whole picture and then I'll tell you what is where.
Wow.
Eh?
Huh?
Amazing.
Yo.
And you
This
can
is
enter
beautiful.
from any place. That door, this door, this door, that door.
These
that-
doors open as well.
Everything
yeah.
opens
Oh, for the
up.
braai that
Yes.
opens, yeah.
So yeah, you come
Yeah.
into this nice stylish kitchen for the first
Jeez.
thing.
My love, look at the small kettle.
Small kettle
Only
on
for
this.
2 people.
On the
Huh?
hob. Yeah.
That's
very
an interesting
nice.
kettle. It looks like an old style kettle.
Yes. That you put on the fire.
And this is
Yeah.
a nice spatulas, those silicone ones.
Yes, and there is the kitchenette.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful, huh?
Okay, the chips is mine. But you get sugar, you get
Oil.
salt, pepper, oil.
Wow, okay.
There's brandy glasses.
Lekker brandy glasses, lekker cups.
Cups.
I know this is a
Afrikaans.
signature thing
Yes.
of them.
And you can buy them.
The Africamps tin cups, yeah.
Yeah, you can buy them as well.
Look at the nice wine glasses.
Wine glasses, champagne glasses.
I
up
brought
here.
2 bottles of champagne.
Oh my goodness. I think I'm just going to take it easy this weekend. So there's coffee, tea, sugar. And if you prefer a stylish coffee,
My
there's a
pots.
pot machine
Oh, wow,
and pots
lekker.
that they provide.
Nice.
And it is a big fridge freezer.
Ja,
You
lekker.
can buy ice at the shop
We
if you
just
didn't
bought
bring
ice,
your
yeah.
ice. There's a little milk inside.
Okay, lekker.
And they give you like 3 bottles of water. You're not supposed to drink their water. And this is for the morning
the babbelas.
after.
That's for the babbelas.
Yes.
Wow, my love. This
Yeah.
looks
So
nice.
yeah, again, very stylish. Look at this nice steak
Wow.
knives.
No, this is next level.
Very good,
This
very
is
good.
next level.
Daar's jou bord.
Plates, ja. Mama's daar braaibak.
Ek is 100%
Oh,
seker.
there's a braaibak.
Daar's 'n
Hey,
braaibak.
there's a black braaibak.
Yes, braaibak.
There
Your
we go.
tongs. There's a toaster.
Grader down there. Okay.
On this side, what's in here?
No,
Okay, now that's just underneath. There.
There's
that's
nothing in
if you
there.
want to put in something.
Okay, there's a microwave.
microwave, and there's
Got everything you need.
yeah, and this
everything
is
you
where
need.
the bin is.
Oh, so
So if you
tonight,
prepare here, just open and
yeah, tonight you just rub me in there.
it depends how you
Behave.
behave.
I love it. I love this open view.
Yes, we're gonna open all the doors.
Jeez, this is just crazy.
Yeah, and don't worry, tonight if you're sleeping, you can do all these blinds. Everything has got a blind, so you can make it pitch dark if you want to.
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
nice.
this is nice. I love it. I love it. I love
Oh, and for the summer, they've got 2 duck wires.
it. Yeah,
Very
fans.
nice.
Nice
yeah.
fans, yeah.
Yeah.
And another one above the bed.
Yes. This bed is
Okay.
nice and low, so I can do the test on him.
Oop.
Nou te waarsangskrik.
Yeah, it's a nice wide bed.
Nice bed. They've got
Hot blankets.
hot blankets.
My goodness.
Very nice.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm sure it can get very cold here.
This is actually a really premium tent.
This is premium. This is
Yes.
definitely premium. I love it. It really feels like honeymoon, my love.
Yes, and it's big.
Ooh, puppy. This is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, and if it's too cold still, you can light up the fire. Have a
lekker stoofie, ja.
Heat up the
Kacheltjie.
whole tent.
Wow.
Yes.
And then this
here
side.
beside, this side is like this is the if you want to pack your stuff in there. There's
Okay.
a nice another blanket.
Oh, this is
Lots
an
of hangers to put your clothes
open
in.
cupboard, yeah.
Very nice. And then a big shower. I know you're gonna fit in the shower.
Wow, look at this
Very
bathroom.
nice. Look
Huh?
at that spiel
Look
there,
at that
the mirror.
That mirror is
big.
crazy. It's almost like smoky.
Yeah, I like
Jeez.
it. So black, you see.
I haven't got a his and hers, but this is a big
Ons
basin.
kan
Huh?
altyd staan
Ja.
op ons op.
Yeah,
the potty.
Potty, and then
Yes.
I can somewhere see. I'm gonna
gonna
make
fit
it here.
there.
I'm gonna make it here. Oh yeah, definitely.
Ach,
No,
more than
lekker,
enough
lekker.
space.
Ooh, and look at my
Ja.
view.
Oh, goodness.
My koekedooks.
What
huh?
do I see there? Is that a lion or is it an elephant?
No. But it is beautiful. It is beautiful.
Very
And I see there's a lot of lights on this
Yes.
on the stoop.
For tonight.
So it's gonna look crazy tonight.
Now I'm so
Ach, lekker, man.
disappointed that we're only staying 2 nights.
I'm telling you.
Jeez.
Huh?
Here you can relax.
Sure, this is beautiful.
Oh.
But now, before the relaxing begins, we must start bringing all the stuff up.
I just wanted to say there's 14 of these tents. Just some of them, there's a few premium tents, and the other ones is a bit down. But all the housing is built in a bush.
Yeah, you're all on your own.
Yeah, you can't see anybody
You don't
else.
see the other people. It's
You
nice
drive
and,
by, you can't even see the
yeah,
house.
it's nice and private. Yeah.
Yes,
they did
it's
it very well.
good. He planned
Yeah.
this place.
They did it very well.
Oh,
Okay, my love, are you gonna help me?
no, you said you're gonna do it.
Okay.
No, I'll
I'm
help you.
tired, huh?
I will help
I'm
you.
tired, man. Okay, I've got the hot tub going. Lekker warm fire. I'm going to put this lid on. They've got a very nice little hook there that you can put the lid on. Because most people haven't got that, and the people just put it all over and they burn everything with this warm lid. It goes that way. I just want to show you, me and Lizanne, as you saw, we were on the net just now, and I said I'm quickly going to put some more wood in here And she moved in. Just look at this. This was like 7, 8 minutes ago. Look at this. She's fast asleep. Huh? Look at this. Shame. Fast asleep. This is now when you want to party with the people from PE. This happens. Shame, I'll let her rest for an hour or two and then she must make us a lekker platter and then we'll have a drink. Okay, I just woke Lizanne. Just want to show you quickly. Look at this. I was sitting outside here and I saw the lights came on. Look at this. Wow. All the lights down the stairway, down to the car. It's beautiful. Huh. And I love it. This place, all the lights are still working. Normally you get to a place and there's like 2 or 3 working and then 1 not working and then 2 not working and then 4 working again. These are all just working. Huh? It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to make some food now. My love, welcome back.
Hey,
Huh?
where were what happened?
Did you have a lekker sleepy?
Who was sleeping?
I've got it on camera.
Oh my goodness.
I filmed you.
Ek het net bietjie gerus, net gelê.
Oh, you deserved it. You definitely
Nee, ek
deserved
het
it.
lekker geslaap, dankie.
My love, I'm going to take a brandy tonight. I know you don't want one.
Ek sal 'n bietjie Monster vat, dankie.
Mama wil nie drink vanaand nie. Mama het genoeg gedrink.
Mamma het genoeg in haar hele lewe gedrink in die 3 dae.
But I'm going to take a Numzan 3 here tonight.
Okay.
He's not that strong.
Not that. Ah, you're just fooling yourself.
He's 3% less alcohol. So let's listen. Ja,
Hey,
I klap. This is mine.
stadig.
It's a ruimskiekie.
Goeie.
I just told you this one isn't as strong. Huh?
Het jy jou lewerpille gevat?
Ek het vanoggend, ja. She bought me
90.
liver pills like this. Liver pills? Pills. Liver tablets.
Tablets.
Tablets like this. It's like a,
Capsules.
it's almost like a set pill.
Ja, ja.
Yes.
You just don't put it in. Down under, you put it in.
You battle to get it down. Ooh, lekker ruik die ding. Ooh. Mama, I'm gonna get life again.
Okay, that's enough for me because I still want to sleep tonight also.
I'm gonna get life after this. I was like, cheers.
Thanks.
On this amazing.
Wow.
Did you see the moon? Look at that. Is it full moon? No, it's not full moon.
Well, nearly.
It's nearly
Like tomorrow.
Yeah, it's full, nearly full moon.
Ooh, tomorrow there's going to be howling.
But anyway, yeah, welcome to this amazing place.
Yeah, wow.
This is really, while you were sleeping, I was sitting outside here in the cargo net, and all the sounds is just insane.
The birds,
Ja.
that's why I didn't actually sleep. I was just listening to the nature for a little while.
You slept like a
Baby.
freaking, you snored, man.
Did you take it on camera?
No, you weren't snoring.
I just wanted to say that
Not
we're
then.
just going to cut it there.
No, not then, but when I sat outside, I heard you.
Okay.
Right, my love, tonight, I'm going to light the fire. No, as soon as I'm finished with this, the hot tub is warm.
I want to
We
get in
can
there.
actually get in there. But I want to prepare this.
What is it?
Tonight, I'm going to make a lekker gourmet. Look, it's Sunday evening. So we actually don't eat on a Sunday evening. But because this is our holiday, we're going to make something light and small. So I'm going to make us a lekker gourmet burger.
Yeah, it's like the cheese is like...
It's like cheesy.
Ooh,
it's
lekker.
oozing. It's oozing. Yeah, so first I'm going to take the mince and then put some olive oil in it.
In die bakkie.
And
Smeer die bakkie?
it shouldn't be necessary. I can if you want.
Yeah, just for in case.
Just for the fun.
That's enough.
Just for the fun. You can rub that in.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
do that.
I'm going to put this bottle away. I'm going to just put it down there because it makes a shadow on my workspace. Okay. And then let me just take another sip. And then I'm going to spice the mince. Just normal, nothing fancy. I'm just going to make it flat a little bit.
My fingers,
Did you bring that lappie?
No, I didn't.
Not?
Do
Okay,
you
then
want the lappie?
I can just wipe it
I
on my...
get you the lappie.
on my haggle. huh?
get you the lappy.
Thanks for bringing the haggles with.
Yeah,
we
nice.
actually need it tonight. It's cold, huh?
Yeah.
But let's do this along. Lekker pepper, just black pepper, grind it in. They say if you can't see it, you can't taste it. Okay, some salt. But my fingers are so slippery now from the oil.
Not too much salt, any.
Not too much salt.
Your doctor
Why?
is watching.
My doctor, he watched the videos. He said, no, it's all right.
Steak and chops.
Just don't eat it like that every day. But on holiday you can.
10 days straight.
Yeah, and some lekker steak and chops.
And some bietjie aromat, please.
We love the steak and chops. And aromat, Mama, this aromat is only for you.
Yeah, thank you. The
Because
pepper
you-
is only for you.
Yeah, no, thank you. See, we compliment each other.
Yeah, we do.
Give and take, give and take.
Okay, that's more than enough.
Okay, and then give me that
Plunky
sticky,
sauce.
that sticky sauce. No, the sticky sauce.
Sticky sauce.
Yeah, this is a sticky marinade sauce, like a barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just rub this in there. And then I'm gonna put on mine
Afterwards.
afterwards the plunky steak because I just love that sauce.
Okay.
I love
Yeah,
the
I just wanted to
love the
say-
yeah, I love the garlic taste of that.
Don't mix the two.
No, because this is a sweet sauce and that's a salty one. Yeah. I say, then you just mix it all together.
Lekker messy.
Mama, this is lekker messy. You must actually give this to
Delmay and to
and
Limery.
Limery and
Yeah.
just tell them to just go in.
Yeah.
They will go crazy.
Like clay.
Yeah, they will just go mad here. Okay, you just rub it in, and you can make this sexy if you want. Rub it up, dub. You know, if you on honeymoon like us, I must actually take my shirt off, and you do this on my
Oh
chest.
my
On my
goodness.
chest. No, what did you think? Get your brain out of the gutters.
No, but I thought on your
On my chest.
food on your chest.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were thinking of something else again. Mama? Okay, now it's nice and mixed and I can feel the oil in it. So,
And you know how much now?
yeah, a little bit more like that.
Kom ons. Dis
Okay.
groot.
You know what? I'm a big man.
I know.
And then we just put it in the bakkie. Let me just put this that side. Okay, put it in the bakkie and press on it with the other bakkie. You just turn it and twist it.
Okay.
Okay,
Get it out
we
of
just-
the bakkie.
get it out. I say.
Yeah. And flip
Like
it.
that. It's not nice, but anyway, listen, I'm gonna just do it like this. We haven't got the right. You must actually take a burger presser,
press,
a press.
yeah.
And what I haven't got a burger press
No,
here, so
we
I
just
thought the
have
bakkies are gonna work, but the bakkies don't work.
Druk dit nie in die middel nie, net op die kante, anders sit dit aan die bord vas.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna put some bacon in. Always bacon. We love bacon. Always bacon. Somebody this weekend said, "Hey, you guys, you
I like
always eat
pigs."
bacon, eh?" We like bacon. That's our
Okay, and you
Our
can't
staple
fill it
voedsel.
too much
Ja,
because
no, I'm not
then
going to,
it
yeah.
must still get the dekseltjie.
yeah. So and then you put the tomatoes in.
on.
Lekker. I love these cherry tomatoes. They're lekker, nice and sweet.
Let me just help you with this bucket.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the wait. I'm gonna
You
put
can
it.
put the lid on.
I'm gonna put the lid on.
There you go.
I just wanna.
There's a lekker mandjie vir jou.
Yeah, I just wanna put some salt on my tomatoes. I hate the tomato that hasn't got salt on. Oh, and then you wanna mix the two cheeses.
Yes, the mozzarella is for the strek ene
Yeah.
and that's for the
For
flavor.
the flavor. So
Yeah.
you can must I put the
No,
mozzarella
it's
on?
your food.
I know mozzarella cheese hasn't got taste.
Taste.
But it's nice and gooey.
Ja, there's no taste.
There's no taste there. It's nice and gooey. I say,
Oh,
like so.
goodness.
And then we make a flat one.
A flat top.
Just for the lid. You know, this thing is nice. And you don't have to be perfect.
And if you watch
It can just be rough.
and if you watch Keith, you will see this is like a 300 gram patty
A 300 gram.
or 500 gram.
This is definitely
very big.
about 350. And then you just seal it like this.
As if you're baking
So
a,
that,
pie.
Yeah, so that it doesn't run out.
Maak die
Mama,
gaatjies
this is
toe.
going to be lekker.
Dis nog 'n gaatjie.
This is going to be lekker.
Hierdie
And
is
that's
sommer
it.
'n
Huh?
Lekker spanwerk.
That is a lekker patty.
See, it look like a pie.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
one
a
down.
meat pie, Papa. It's a
Yes.
meat pie.
Okay, so move it
So we're going to
aside.
make two.
Yes,
Yours is going to be a little bit smaller because there's not enough
and I am
mince.
smaller, so
I know
that's
you
fine.
eat like a mouse, so
Yeah.
it's fine like that.
There
I'm just
you
going to put that
go,
one
nice.
there. And then we do the other one as well.
Yeah, small, please.
Yeah. Okay, let's stop it here. We'll show you when it's on the fire. Luckily, I brought my braai lighters.
Ja.
Dankie Andre. Always a champion because this wood is a little bit damp. It's not wet, it's dry wood, but I think it was lying outside in the rain.
Ja.
It's damp.
I saw at the shop it was
Yeah,
outside.
it's actually, it's so damp it goes moldy.
Oh goodness.
Yeah. Andre. Come on,
Daar kom
come on,
die
come on, come on,
gaatjie.
come on, come on. Don't be like that. Kom papi, kom papi, kom papi. Ah, as soon as that paraffin takes. It's a goner. Whoop. I like to play with fire, you see. Azai. That will do the trick. Azai, my love. That's the fire. Oh yeah, and I want to say, they give you 4 bags of wood. Not give you, they leave you 4 bags of wood here underneath. But you must buy them. It's 30 rand per bag, ne?
Yeah, so you use how much you want, and then at the end, when you check out, you
You just tell them how many bags you used. And if you use all of that, like I've used 2 in the hot tub tonight and 1 here. So tomorrow night I've only got 1. So I'm going to have to go and buy some more.
Yeah,
Because
but
I'm
30
heavy on...
rand a bag is
That's not that
really
expensive,
cheap.
yeah. It's not that expensive. But it would have been nice if they just give you wood to lit the hot tub. Give you like 2 bags for
starter
free.
pack.
Yeah, starter pack just to lit the hot tub.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I mean there is a hot tub.
Yes.
They must provide wood to heat it up. My thoughts, just my thoughts.
So are we going to get into the hot tub now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
happy,
do it.
Happy days.
Jeez, but this is nice, eh? Damn it.
Yeah.
Why is this water always so nice?
This is exactly what the doctor ordered.
For you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is now relaxing.
Yeah, very,
Listen,
very
and
nice.
did you listen just now when you came out? There's nothing outside.
Yeah, you
You don't
even
hear
hear
anything.
a person speaking.
Nothing.
It's just creak, 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 creak.
Yeah. No wind, nothing. Did you see the steam?
Yeah, I love it.
Lekker.
But this is now the most relaxing thing I've ever done in this 3 days.
Cheers, Mama. This is going to help your back that's so sore.
Yeah, it's going to help for everything.
Yeah, but you see, last night you tried to do the wormy. That's why your back is so sore.
And you didn't stop me.
I like it. And we brought our tumblers again because I told her we're going to be in the Bushveld.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we're going to go into the Addo
Ada, yes.
National Park and I want to drink something there out of my tumbler.
Yeah, and it keeps the ice forever.
Yeah, that's why I want to use it, yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if they've got brandy glasses or not, but I showed it anyway
Yeah.
because I've got my own.
Listen, but this is a premier place.
Yeah, this is
it's
very
supposed
nice.
to have everything. It's
This
really,
place
really
is
very
amazing.
nice. Yeah.
And you like all the lights?
I love the
Yeah?
lights.
I thought so.
I just love everything about this
Yeah.
place. We've been to Africamps in the past.
This one
but
is totally different.
This is just
Yeah.
taking the cake.
Yeah, but okay, this is only this unit.
premier one.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
other units they still
They
got
are
the
the
tent
same.
and the
Yes, with the green kitchen stuff.
yes,
and-
everything is the same.
yeah.
Yeah.
But this is nice and spacious
This
and
one
so
is
open.
This one is special.
It's
For a special lady.
It's for a honeymoon.
It's for a special lady. I like your swimsuit.
Oh, thank
Huh?
you.
Flowery.
What's flower?
What flowers is this?
3D.
3D printed. Huh? Let me see. Lift up a little bit. Wow.
Yeah, you can wear it like up Or you can wear it like
Down.
down and it won't go down.
It won't go down. Oh,
No.
that's not good.
Yeah,
Huh? You mean I can hang on it?
you can hang on it. And then I also have a flower down there.
Oh, my love. You in the flowers today. Lekker. Mm. It feels funny to be so relaxed and quiet, huh?
Yeah.
No music.
It's actually very
Nothing.
nice
For change.
for change.
Look at this. It is coming along, these two bombs. Look at that. Oh, nooit. That looks so lekker. The cheese is starting to come out, so I think we're almost there. We're almost there. You see the other side. Yeah, maybe that side can go a little bit more. I don't want to overdo it. I want it still nice and juicy. Oh, lekker. How's that, my darling? Huh?
Thank you for all your hard work.
They came out nice. Just look at that. Look at this. Just look at this.
That is
Huh?
absolute monster.
It's a monster. Look at that.
Oh, goedheid.
Oh
Sit dit
my,
somewhere in
it's
your
still
bord.
dripping, my love. Can I just take it?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna just, oh, that is a monster.
Yeah, I can't see the bun.
Yes. I'm not gonna use this bun.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use a open bun.
Okay,
Because I wanna put some more
stuff on.
stuff on and
You can put mine in as well.
frills and,
I think it's very heavy for me to lift.
yeah, you're not gonna eat a bun. Why don't you take that bun?
I don't want buns.
No buns.
No buns today.
Oh, but I wanna pour
I'm
some.
on the banting,
Red wine as well.
banting burgers.
You're always on a diet.
No, it's just so much food. I don't think I'm gonna have a place for another bun as well.
Listen, you know, it was a hard night last night. If I drink wine and you drink orange juice, huh?
Yeah, no, listen.
Lekker BC wines, Cabernet Sauvignon,
I actually need a cream soda.
cream soda, 'n regmakertjie. Cheers, my love.
Cheers, maar hulle cheers net so lekker.
Yeah,
Cheers.
I must take it there. I think it cheers better.
Yes.
Ah, you see. Thank you very much. Oh, Mama, you know what I'm gonna do?
Ja.
Let me show you.
Build the burger.
I'm gonna build a burger. Yeah. I wanna take. I'm gonna take the jalapenos that we sell on our website up here. Go to the website. This is the whole jalapenos that I just sliced some. Because we made some lekker jalapeno poppers the other night.
Yes, from Jumping Jackal. Very
Jumping
nice
Jackal in
products they
Montague,
have.
very nice. So I'm gonna just gooi some of the. But before I do that, I'm gonna take Jumping Jackal's jalapeno mayo. Mama, you know I like
Ja,
a,
nee, kyk nou
a
hier.
burny thing, yeah.
Kyk nou hier.
Ja, I
Maar daar
just
kan hompe uit. Kyk daar, hy
I-
druk 'n botteltjie,
I
een
sommer-
botteltjie op 'n burger.
I take the whole proppie off and then I just do it, man. Daar's hy. En jy gaan nie glo nie. I'm still gonna put this on as well. The lekker plankie steak.
Plankie steak.
This garlic sauce, my jette. This is my favorite. Oh. It's blocked. You see, I have to take it off as well.
Ooh, galala.
Oh,
mense,
juicy. And then, my love,
Yeah, I also want of the plankie steak.
you want plankie as well?
I think so.
Yeah, it's very nice. Then I take the jalapenos and I just
Stack it.
pour them on here, stack it. Ooh, it's gonna be burning.
It's not a very colorful plate because everything, the tomatoes and everything is inside this burger.
Yeah, I'm so excited to cut this thing.
Yeah.
See if it's nice and raw
Yes,
inside.
Cut it in half or must I do mine? That I
Cut
can
yours,
see
yeah.
what it looks
Cut
like.
yours, yeah. I want to see if it's still. It's not going to be raw. It's
No.
hopefully it's going to be like medium.
I don't want to check the state of the burger.
I
I want
want
to
to.
see what it looks like inside.
Ooh, I'm nervous.
there's a-
Oh yeah, it's
that-
medium. It's medium.
Look at that.
Lekker julle. Oh my
Gevul.
goodness.
Bacon, tomatoes,
Woo!
all kinds of cheese.
And I've got some lekker potato salad. Thank you, my love.
Yeah, sorry, it's store-bought
That's
because
all right.
we're on a trip.
I know you zooted it up,
With
so
a
it's
little
fine.
bit of spice. Is that everything you're going to eat? Don't
This
you want
burger,
some more?
Mama,
out
this
of
burger
the
is
side?
this burger is going to be a monster.
Yeah, it looks like a cupcake if you. It's very nicely decorated.
No, I like the jalapenos. It's
Yeah.
my favorite. But anyway,
Burn, baby, burn.
I'm gonna enjoy it. Cheers. Thank you for a nice day. I know it wasn't your best because you're still tired, I can see, but I'm also tracking Swar now.
Okay, but check me tomorrow
also
morning.
tired.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be bright and early and
Awake.
shiny and new.
Ready for the elephants.
Shiny and new, yes.
Ready for the elephants.
Yep.
And you're not going to cry tomorrow if I get too close.
No, I am. You're not going to get too close.
We will see you tomorrow in the Arrow Elephant Park. Hopefully you're going to take us with some coffee and lekker boiled eggs.
Boiled egg. I still have to make the boiled eggs tonight.
And I saw you bought this
you've
afternoon,
got
you
a
bought
few
some
surprises.
nice thingies to take with. I saw
Yeah,
that.
yes.
But okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Have a nice sleep.
Great evening. Yeah. I'm going to sleep like a freaking baby. Bye. Hoe proe het? Lekker.
No jokes.
I'm going to take my first bite.
It's going to be, it's like medium.
Oh my word.
We're just not just saying it. Try it for yourself, my goodness.
Oh my word.
This is one of the best ones you've ever made.
Morning, my love. Come have a look here. I just came out of the shower and there's a nyala here.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at that. But it's raining, people. It is raining. Look at that nyala there. Wow. What? That is so cool. We want to go to Addo today. We just had such a rainstorm that we thought we were going to lie in a bit. And now it's 9 o'clock already. But yeah, I think we're going to go now. We're just going to finish up and then we're going to go. Oh, now I can say good morning properly. Huh?
Yes, good
Good
morning.
morning. Now you're awake and you've got your printje on. Huh? And we're on our way to the Addo. Jeez, this road is one muddy mess this morning. Huh? Yo, I'm sliding around here. From the Africa. From the Africa. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is crazy.
Let's hope we can get back through that river.
Yeah,
when we
I
come
think
back.
the rain is over now. I think
that
it's.
will
I
be
think
very
it
nice.
looks like it's passing. But this car is gonna be dirty, puppy. Here we are. Unfortunately, this time we're only here for day visiting.
Yeah, so we must see everything we can.
As I thought, this is a muddy mess. Ay, shame. But a Toyota must look like this. Luckily, I brought my secretary with to fill in all the forms. Okay, we paid our fee. Mama's watching the map to see where we can get what.
And what animals there are.
And we bought some proviant. So we're set for the day.
That was quick.
Yeah, that was quick. Okay, my love, now we're in.
Yes, and remember the gates close at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, and now you must start
Watching.
opening your eyes, leave your phone alone, and just concentrate. Huh?
Yep. Ai, maar is mooi.
Yes, so my love, we're lucky, huh?
Ja.
Within 5 minutes,
Ja.
we've seen a lot already. Daar's rooi hartebees.
Yes, and they want to go past on the road.
And there's kudus. You see the kudus there?
Yeah, so we must just stop a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna stop here.
Yeah, that they can pass. There's the kudus also on
Yeah.
that side.
And there's an elephant. There's 2, 3 elephants there.
Yeah, nice. It's
Oh, wow.
it's starting.
It's starting great. So nice to be between the animals, huh? I can do this for many, many days in a row.
Yeah, I just thought if you're staying near the Addo, it's so nice to come on a Sunday, doing a Sunday drive.
Yeah, it's lekker.
And the animals behave different every time you come.
You see that mannetjie at the back there, that
Yeah.
bull
Yeah,
with the horns.
yes.
It's beautiful, huh?
Beautiful. So
Look at the-
majestic.
Yeah, look at the backdrop there with the cloudy
Yeah.
sky
Oh, just eating
and the green
away.
grass. Sure.
What are they having? A brunch.
I don't know. I know they're just eating grass. No steak and chips for them.
Today.
And here we've got the ugliest animal on the planet. Shame. Somebody must be ugly. Hey, kom. Pumbaa. Pumbaa. That one is charging over the road. Hey, look at it. Yes. Ah. My love, in my previous life, this was me.
I was so afraid you're going to say in your next life.
No,
you're
no,
gonna
no.
be a baboon.
My previous life, this was me. And then my mother cut off my tail.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, my love, look at that.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Your favorite horsey.
Nice horsey. Clever horsey.
Wow, it's beautiful. Right next to the car. Yes, but it's nice and green here.
Joh, maak so 'n mooi prentjie.
Yo. Karoo, karoo. Karoo. Yo. Just saw a jackal.
The black-bearded.
Black-bearded jackal, but now it's gone. I'm sure it's not going to be in the road anymore. Huh? Oh, it turned off. Damn. But it's muddy. Just look at, we're sliding. Jeez. Hey, he was running in the road now, and as soon as you get the camera, it just
Disappeared.
disappears. At least we saw it. It's gone.
Oh, hey.
Karoo, karoo.
What's the mannetjie dan?
He just went around the bush there.
There's two of them here.
Yeah.
Weggehaal.
Oh, no, they're quicker. Damn it. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hello. Hey.
Hey, spring.
There's the other one.
Oh, that's nice.
Gee. Couldn't in the natural habitat. Get my gun. Get my gun, Leafy.
If you see them, you can't kill them.
I want to eat them.
Well, I'll give them a name, Bambi Kitty.
We found a whole lot of elephants. Red elephants. There's one in the road there. So nobody can pass.
Oh, so there's one there in the bush.
I see, there's a lot of them here.
There's a whole herd here.
And they're crossing the road so nobody can pass. So we have to wait for them. That's a big male, huh?
Oh,
Jeez. This is so freaking nice, huh? These
Very convenient.
very convenient, these Simmons Vlei Numzaan cups. Now we can actually use it.
Yeah, very nice.
Huh?
Yeah.
Lekker brandy and coke, Papi.
And
No,
afterwards you just throw the cup away.
yeah, just throw the cup away. No ice needed because the coke is almost icy.
Yeah, like go. Cheers.
Cheers, I'm on this platter. We're having a little bit of a middagete, a lunch here. I just want to show them this platter. Look at, just don't make a mess. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I don't know what is, can you explain to me, what is this?
Pastrami, this is nice chicken, crumbed chicken.
Yeah.
The famous hectic
Hectic
biltong.
biltong.
Like a
Cheesies.
barbecue cheesy, eggs.
Oh,
This is nice cheese grillers and pancakes with a chicken filling.
my love, you spoil me.
Ja,
Rotten. Huh?
I've got a plan.
You got a plan. Thank you.
Okay.
This is going to be lekker.
En dan 'n lekker pink sousie daarbey.
Yeah. Oh, this is going to be nice. Thank you. And we're sitting here by a dam, but there's not a lot of animals here. It's too wet. I think the area is they had too much rain here, so the animals they're all in between the bushes. But there's a lot of zebras there, and there's some kudus there.
Luckily the bushes are very, very low. So you can see a lot of animals although they
Yeah.
are in the
Oh,
it's a lot of spekbome.
yeah. Well, I've seen enough. I'm happy. I've seen everything.
Oh, I want just to see a little small elephant in a herd.
Oh, but we haven't seen that now. The elephants they're all hiding now because it's so wet. But we actually saw a rooi kat as well, a caracal. Caracal. Yeah. But we couldn't film it. It's as soon as you take your camera out, it's just
Yeah,
gone.
they're so quick. Yeah.
Cheers. Enjoy the Numzan. Lekker hier in die Edo.
Ai, dit smaak hom lekker.
Moedersmelk. You never know what you're going to get. Some days you get zebras at this waterhole. And just look at this. This was last year when we were here. It was just elephants. The whole
All over the place.
dam was full of elephants. They came into bath and they played and yeah, it was just crazy. And this year, there's no elephants and just the zebras.
A lot of zebras.
It's crazy,
A
huh?
whole herd of
I'm
them.
telling you, all these, like Kruger National Park, Addo, you're just lucky if you see everything. Tasa, my love.
Jo.
Back home again, huh? Look how dirty that car is, huh?
Yeah, you can't even see the YouTube.
Yes, I just checked the number plate at the back. You can't see our number plate. It's
wow.
completely destroyed. But anyway, we're back at Africamps. It's cold tonight, huh? Look
Ja.
at these. Spore daar, so sien jy?
Oh, hy's 'n boekie op.
Yeah, I think it's that yeah, there he put.
Ah,
That
sis.
Nyala of this morning. He came up to say morning and we were gone. But anyway, we're going to say bye here, ne? Huh?
Yes.
We're going to have a lekker evening tonight still. We're going to braai, relax, just rustig.
Yeah.
No music, nothing. You're not going to miss anything.
No.
We might light the hot tub again and just braai some nice... I saw you took
Chicken.
out some chickens, skewers again. So yeah, thank you that you watched and please remember to subscribe.
Yes.
I see there was a couple of people that subscribed the last week or two. But keep on doing that, please. It helps us a lot.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye.